Welcome to the next generation of Massey Ferguson combines. The next generation in harvesting technology and the next generation in Massey Ferguson's strong heritage of delivering capacity without complexity. The lineup includes three new models, the 9520, 9540, and 9560. This video presentation will walk you through the industry-leading features in performance, capacity, and ease of service introduced on the Massey Ferguson 9540 and 9560 models. Here's an overall cutaway of the Axial system. Let's focus on the feeder house and the segmented feed drum. The feeder house length was increased by 6.4 inches, 163 millimeters. This reduces the transition angle from the feed conveyor to the multi-flow housing for smoother crop flow. The extended length also provides better header visibility, reducing operator fatigue. As a result of the longer housing, the range of travel is increased, allowing for easier header hookup, especially with larger tire options. A fixed-speed header drive is standard equipment for the grain version and is optional equipment for the corn-soybean version. The fixed-speed drive features a larger driven pulley that allows higher load capacity. A variable-speed corn head drive matches the corn head and feed chain speed to ground speed for increased productivity. This feature is standard equipment for the corn-soybean version and is optional equipment for the grain version. The Crop Elevator 3HB Power Band drive belt is built to handle the extra power requirements in high-volume conditions. The longer drive belt allows for better belt wrap and longer life. When running cereal grains, the belt position is on the inner pulley. When running a corn header, the belt is on the outer pulley. The rock trap can be opened with the lever located on the right side of the combine feed house. The Massey Ferguson 9540-9560 uses an 18-inch, 457 mm diameter segmented feed drum to feed the rotor inlet and provide rock protection. The constant speed drum controls the crop flow from the feed elevator chain into the rotor. The multi-flow rotor inlet housing is an original Massey Ferguson design. The system allows for 3 zones of controlled material feeding into the processor. This multi-flow pattern allows for even feeding and improved crop quality. The housing shifts material smoothly, 90 degrees from the feeder house into the processor, allowing for enhanced threshing performance while taking less power consumption. Segmented threshing elements contact and then release the crop, allowing improved separation. Less crop contact in the threshing system results in a less aggressive process. This improves straw quality, reduces overthreshing, and improves threshing efficiency. The plane segment provides the best threshing and rubbing action to remove grain out of the crop material. The plane elements provide an improved grain sample compared to the aggressive elements. Depending on crop and conditions, narrow or wide paddle plates can be installed to the paddle mounts. Paddle plates are replaceable, which provide serviceable parts in case of wear or damage. The narrow paddle plates allow for greater grain separation as well as faster crop flow. There are a total of 12 concave sections, 6 on the right side and 6 on the left side. There are 3 different types of concave configurations: small wire, large wire, and round bar. A big advantage with this unique system comes when changing the combine over to different crops and conditions. The design allows for a simple attachment and quick installation of the concaves, making it easier to remove and change without assistance. The H-frame concave support linkage incorporates a spring overload protection system designed to reduce damage to the processing equipment from foreign objects such as rocks. Concave to rasp bar clearance is adjusted from inside the cab. 6 grates comprise the system, with 3 on each side, and serviceability is quick since there are only 2 bolts per section. The angled and stepped grate fingers provide a gentle agitation of the crop material to reduce straw damage and cleaning system overload. A non-interchangeable design ensures that left and right cannot be installed incorrectly. The new cleaning system provides a 3-stage stratified airflow cleaning process, which follows the natural progression of threshing and separation through the machine. The dual outlet fanning mill reduces slope sensitivity and provides full-length cleaning and maintains sieve capacity. The pre-chaffer allows airflow to be adjusted to the front of the cleaning shoe if required by slope or conditions. The pan design provides direct material flow to the cleaning system. All combines feature optional electronic chaffer and sieve adjustment. There are ground-level electronic controls located at the rear of the combine for easy adjustment. For maximum convenience, the adjustments can also be made from inside the cab using the C2100 terminal. The chaffer and sieve icons are located in the shoe page. From the chaffer and sieve screen, touch either the chaffer or sieve icon. The current chaffer or sieve opening will be displayed. Combine models can be equipped with a dual-speed straw chopper. An easy-to-adjust spreader board with deep fins deflects chopper discharge material into a wide spread pattern. The spreader board is also hinged and can be adjusted up or down to change the spread pattern. Each fin angle can also be adjusted. The combine straw chopper can be moved rearward on its mounting bracket to gain access to the rear of the combine rotor, or to allow the combine to directly discharge straw on the ground for baling purposes. The operating speed of the straw chopper and straw spreader can be changed easily. Low speed is used for harvesting corn, and high speed is used for small grain and soybean harvest. The new 10-inch cross auger versus the previous 8-inch design provides over 60% more clean grain handling capacity. The 9540 and 9560 feature a 350-bushel grain tank. The optional power fold extension provides in-cab control through the C2100 monitor. When closed for transport, the extension provides weather-resistant coverage of the grain bin. There are two unloading auger lengths, 21 feet and 24 feet, to match the various header configurations. The replaceable end auger and tube section improves serviceability. The 9540 and 9560 feature a direct, high-volume unloading system that is driven through a hydraulically engaged belt drive. The power flows through the shaft drive directly to the 15-inch unloading auger with secondary power to the 12-inch cross auger. The system unloads the grain at a super-fast rate, at an average of 4 bushels per second. The unloading auger drive system is protected from damage with shear bolts. The unloading auger and grain bin transfer auger have convenient cleanout ports located in the lower right bottom of the grain bin. The C2100 monitor adjustment enables the operator to position the console to the optimum position and keep the view to the header clear. A good ergonomic layout enhances the operation of the machine, so the best output is achieved and operator fatigue is reduced. USB ports allow yield data recording without special data cards or adapters. The touchscreen display features an increased processor capacity. The 9540 and 9560 are powered by the new AGCO Power 98 ATI 9.8-liter 7-cylinder engine. The engine continues the proven technology, power, and reliability of the AGCO Power family, with a shared commonality of components and features. With the SCR method, exhaust gases are treated with diesel exhaust fluid in a catalytic converter, which converts the harmful NOx gases into a harmless nitrogen and water mixture. With SCR technology, the engine is not constrained, as with alternative reduction systems, resulting in improved fuel economy and engine performance. The heavy-duty engine drive coupling ensures a strong, reliable transmission of engine power to drive lines. The unique parallel arrangement of the engine and rotor creates inline power flow from the engine to the rotor without the need for direction change. This high-efficiency system optimizes power to rotor with minimum parasitic power loss. Excessive load or crop bunches that stall the rotor may be dislodged by reversing the rotor. Crop blockages in the processing system are easy and convenient to work out with a minimum of downtime and operator effort. This system maintains efficiencies of a mechanical drive system while providing a reverse system with forward drive control functionality for removing a blockage. With the air intake in the cleanest environment possible on the combine, the V-Cool system features a hydraulically driven, variable speed fan that is controlled by multiple temperature inputs for improved performance. The unique V design provides excellent cooling operation and performance due to the airflow not being forced through multiple cooling radiators. The system automatically reverses based on various criteria, such as temperature monitoring, speed drop below 1800 RPM, time-based control, or manually from the C2100 monitor. This ensures the cooling system inlet is automatically kept clear of blockage in adverse operating conditions. A new power swivel ladder is available as a factory or field-installed option. The ladder can be easily swiveled forward for transport from the operator's seat. An additional switch is located on the left rear of the machine to allow movement of the ladder for storage from ground level. The light service ladder and multiple mounting points allow for easy inspection on all sides of the machine. Air filter service access can be done easily from the service step on the right side. The vertical orientation of the air filter encourages debris to drop to the lower housing for easy servicing. This design reduces maintenance time and costs, as well as extends engine life. Thank you for spending this time today to get to know the new dynamic features on the Massey Ferguson 9500 series combines. For more detailed information, refer to the Product Information Guide.